Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to show you some tools how you can make your guitar chords sound more advanced. And there are a lot of possibilities, of course. If you have, for example, the chord of A major, you can transform it into an A major 7, into an A7, into an A sus 2, A sus 4, A minor, A minor 7, A minor 6, A minor 7, 13. Tons of possibilities, and in this video I will show you some examples how you can really pimp your chords. But before we start out, check out in the video description my free lessons for beginners. No strings attached there, just click on the link and get a free ebook, tons of cool lessons to get a better guitar player. So now let's start out and let's see how we can pimp your chords. When we stick to the chord of A, in this case A major, you can play it like this: 2nd fret D string, 2nd fret G string and 2nd fret B string, and you play all strings but you leave out the low E string. This video is not about how to play that very chord. If you have trouble with this, take care of it for a moment and get used to this. But let me tell you that the other chords will probably even be easier, although they sound more advanced or more fancy, whatever you want to call it. For example, if you create from that A major chord an A sus 2 chord, you just lift up the ring finger, also a beautiful chord. So I just have 2nd fret D string, 2nd fret G string, and I have an open B string, open E string, and of course an open A string. Leave again out, that goes for all the A chords here, leave out the low E string. A sus 2. You suspend the 3 by playing the 2. And you can also suspend the 3 by playing a 4. A sus 4 goes like this. You still leave those 2 frets here where they are and put into the 3rd fret of the B string the ring finger. Just kind of like play around the 3rd of the chord, which lies here in the 2nd fret when you go back to the original A chord. Okay? This is the important note here which we are talking about when we're talking about the sus chords. Those sus chords take away the 3 and put in another note which pulls away, suspends the 3 of the chord away. And instead you place the 2 in the chord or the 4. And this is the 3, the original major 3rd in the chord. This is a really cliche like chord progression. A major, A sus 2, A sus 4, A. And you get the idea of this, how beautiful you can play your chords by just altering one note in them. So next chord would be, which is also easier, A major 7 by playing it like this. Middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret B string, and index finger 1st fret G string. Okay? And if you like and want to change between A major and A major 7, you can also play your A major like this, if this helps you. And go to the 1st fret for the A major 7. Now the index finger, you get an A7. A major 7, A7. Back to A major 7. A major 7, A7, A major 7. And those chords sound just beautiful. A does not mean A, okay? You can do so much with those chords and play them in a more advanced level. Of course, on the guitar you have tons of possibilities to play those chords in different places on the guitar. Don't get confused by that, but if you read out in chord sheets or on tabs, whatever, those chords, don't get afraid, because most of them are easier actually than like the original version of a chord. Sometimes not, but most of the time, because as you saw here, to me, the original A major chord is the most complicated one actually. The others tend to have less fingers that you need, or it's in a more comfortable position, whatever. Just check them out, doodle around, play around with those options, with those pimped chords, and have fun with this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment below this video, and also don't forget to check out my free lessons for beginners, no matter if you're playing on an acoustic or on an electric guitar. Check them out. Below this video you'll find a link, no strings attached, you don't have to put in your email or anything in there. Tons of cool stuff going on there. Check it out. See you there. Take care. Bye bye.